Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Moomoo paper trading. Moomoo is a popular trading platform that offers a paper trading feature, allowing users to practice trading with virtual money. This guide will walk you through the steps to get started with Moomoo paper trading. First, you need to download and install the Moomoo app on your device. Once installed, open the app and sign up for an account if you don't have one already. After signing up, you will be taken to the main dashboard where you can navigate to the paper trading section. To access paper trading, tap on the menu icon and select paper trading from the drop-down list. You will be taken to a new page where you can enable paper trading by tapping on the Enable button. Once enabled, you will be given a virtual account with a certain amount of money, usually $100,000. Now that you have enabled paper trading, you can start practicing trading with virtual money. To place a trade, tap on the Trade button and select the type of trade you want to make, such as buying or selling a stock. Enter the stock symbol or name and select the quantity you want to trade. You can also set a limit price or stop loss to manage your risk. As you practice trading, you can monitor your portfolio and track your performance in real time. The paper trading platform provides real-time market data and allows you to trade a wide range of financial instruments, including stocks, options, and ETFs. To get the most out of paper trading, it's essential to set clear goals and strategies for your trading. This includes defining your risk tolerance, identifying your trading style, and developing a trading plan. You should also keep track of your trading journal to monitor your progress and identify areas for improvement. In conclusion, Moomoo paper trading is a valuable tool for anyone looking to practice trading with virtual money. By following these steps and best practices, you can improve your trading skills and develop a successful trading strategy. Remember to always keep track of your progress and adjust your strategy as needed to achieve your trading goals.